Bonjour, bonjour. How you doing? It's me, JB. Oh, somebody tell me, where have the good times gone? Where have the good times gone? Well, I'm gonna wash the Boxster. Unfortunately, in my parking spot, it's kind of dark. I'm gonna give it a shot here with my little pressure washer here. I don't know where I'm gonna set the camera here. It's over here. The light's not so bad. Not so bad. But overall, it's poor when I use this one here. Let's hook it up. It's Saturday. No, it's not Saturday. It's Sunday. And Christmas will be around the corner soon. That's this. This machine isn't worth the money I paid for, that's for sure. Not worth it. Let's get a spot where there's light over here. Already finished. I have to hook this up to a I have to hook it up to a bucket for better results. Well, you get the gist of it. I can't get this off. Okay, it's not helping. I gotta replace this with the other one. It's actually supposed to use that with a bucket because that 1 liter bottle doesn't last very long. In 30 seconds it's over. So next time I'm gonna bring the bucket. I have it in my storage room here in the garage. And that's it. Well, I tried to make a video with this, but you can also hook up a hose to it to amplify the pressure of the hose by 2 or 3 times. But the car's not really that dirty, just a little bit of dust. I haven't driven it in 2 weeks, so I don't need to give it like a serious wash, you know, just a little sprinkle here. I'll fill up the other bottles and I'll spray the rest of the soap and wipe it down with a microfiber towel and go from there. So yeah, anyhow, I might drive it today. It's like -20 outside, but the roads are full of salt, so I don't want to get salt on this. We'll see. If I don't see too many plumes, clouds of salt floating around, I'll take it out this afternoon after lunch. Thanks. Failed car washing machine, spray washer, portable pressure washer. Anyhow, have yourselves a fantastic day. Merry Christmas.